Hello, math friends. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how you can evaluate an expression. So, evaluate is just a fancy word for solve. Solve the expression. When I think about expressions, I think about faces. And I sometimes even think about my dog. And I think, you look at their face and don't you ever just wonder, what are they thinking? What is going on in there? What does he want? And so I think the same thing when I see a mathematical expression. I'm thinking, what does this problem want? What is it all about? And I want to solve it to figure it out. So my first step is to take a look at the variable. In this case, I have the variable c. And I look up above and it tells me, hey, here's the rule. All the c's get to be 10. So in place of the c, I'm going to fill in 10 minus 2. And now I just evaluated or solve it. Easy schmeezy. I know how to do 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. And now I've just done this really fancy math thing of evaluating an expression. Let's try again. Much easier than figuring out what your dog's thinking, by the way. All right, here we go. So I have A. A is 5. I'm going to fill 5 in for A. Plus 10. And now remember, when there's no symbol in between a number and a variable, it means multiply by B. And B is negative 3. Now, I can't forget all of my other good mathematical operations, which one being good old PEMDAS. I still have to use that, right? I got to use my rules still. So this would tell me, hey, I should do parentheses. None. Exponents. None. Multiplication and division, though, from left to right, and here it is. So I'm going to start with 10 times negative 3, which would give me negative 30. And so I have 5 plus negative 30. 5 plus negative 30 is negative 25. Awesomeness. What have I done? I have evaluated an expression. Go to work.